Welcome to the stream of knowledge. This is third lecture of immunology. In our previous lectures, we have learned what is innate immunity. Today we will understand the innate immunity components, the barriers. In our previous lectures, we have learned that there are three components of innate immunity. 1. Direct barriers. 2. Cells of innate immunity. 3. Proteins, for example, complement system. Today, we will understand about barrier. You should remember that barriers are first line of defense, while cells of innate immunity and innate proteins are second line of defense. What are the barriers? The barrier are extremely important component of host defense. Their central mission is to separate outside world from host. There are three types of barrier. 1. Mechanical barrier. 2. Chemical barrier. 3. Biological barrier. Let's discuss them in detail. What are mechanical barriers? The barriers that prevent the entry of certain pathogens. By providing a physical separation of pathogens and internal tissues are called mechanical barriers. The unbroken skin and mucous membranes of the body are mechanical barrier, including hair, mucus, and sweat. What is mechanical barrier? Mechanical barrier is the outermost layer, and is formed by epithelial cells. Skin epidermis is a mechanical barrier. Skin epidermis covered by a layer of keratinized cells. They limits the ability of microorganisms to attach and invade, because they continuously shed along with sweat, while non-skin barriers are called mucous membrane. Mucous membranes make the surfaces more difficult to adhere and penetrate by microorganisms. But how? Number 1, due to mucins. Mucous membrane is made up of mucins, which is a sticky mixture of glycoproteins produced by secretory epithelial cells. Number 2, due to rapid division. Cells of mucous membrane undergo rapid division and sloughing off continuously. That's why microbes can't adhere and penetrate. Number 3, due to continuous flow of urine from kidney and bladder, which ensures that microbes do not attach or invade. What are chemical barriers? A number of chemicals and proteins produced by epithelial cells that inhibit microbes from growing and attaching are called chemical barrier. Let's discuss them in detail. Number 1. Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is a chemical barrier secreted by skin and stomach. It kills bacteria. Number 2. Lysozyme. Lysozyme is an enzyme in saliva and tears. It makes holes in bacterial cell wall. Number 3. Defensins. Defensins are antimicrobial peptides produced throughout the skin and mucous membrane. They create pores in lipid membranes of bacteria. In intestine, alpha defensins are present. These alpha defensins are antiviral. In respiratory tract, beta defensins are present which are antibacterial. Number 4. Chemical barrier are surfactants. Surfactants are lipoproteins produced in lung alveoli. They act as opsonin, means they help in phagocytosis. What are biological barriers? Biological barriers are harmless bacteria that use up food and space, so pathogenic bacteria cannot colonize the body. If pathogens breach protective barriers, inflammation occurs. This creates a barrier against the spread of infection and repairs tissue damage. In our future lectures, we will discuss about other components of innate immune and how innate immune system works. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share.